First, take 6 color lines. The same color of the line is placed in slots 0 and 11, 1 and 10, 2 and 9, 3 and 8, 4 and 7, 5 and 6. Line 0 and line 11 are the outer lines, which we refer to as slots 0 and 11. Step 1. Take line 0 to play the right-hand double note in No.1, No.2, No.3, No.4 and No.5, at which time line 0 remains in slot No.5. Step 2. Take line 11 No.10, No.9, No.8, No.7, No.6, No.5 and play the left-hand double note. At this time line 11 remains in slot 5. Step 3. Take line 0 and tie a single knot on line 1 to the right and left, leaving line 0 in slot 0. Step 4. Take line 1 and tie a single knot on line 2 to the right and left, leaving line 1 in slot 1. Step 5. Take line 2 and tie a single knot to the right and left of line 3, leaving line 2 in slot 2. Step 6. Take line 3 and tie a single knot to the right and left of line 4, leaving line 3 in slot 3. Step 7. Take line 4 and tie a single knot on line 5 to the right and left, leaving line 4 in slot 4. Step 8. Take line 11 and tie left and right single knots on line 10, leaving line 11 in slot 11. Step 9. Take line 10 and tie left and right single knots on line 9, leaving line 10 in slot 10. Step 10. Take line 9 and tie left and right single knots on line 8, leaving line 9 in slot 9. Step 11. Take line 8 and tie left and right single knots on line 7, leaving line 8 in slot 8. Step 12. Take line 7 and tie left and right single knots on line 6, leaving line 7 in slot 7. Step 13. Take line 6 and tie left and right single knots on line 5, leaving line 6 in slot 6. Repeat steps 1 to 13 until the appropriate length is reached. This simple and beautiful friendship bracelet is ready.